Hey guys, in this look I'm doing another fun collaboration with a group of ladies. Some were ladies that I did the collaboration with last time. Some are different. I think most of them are pretty much the same ladies, and I think we added a couple of people as well. But I'm gonna read off a list because there's no way I'm going to remember. So yeah, let's see. First we have Afoma from the Amofa.o channel. She was in the last collaboration. Amanda from Men's Beauty, M-I-N-S Beauty. Myself, Rachael from Ray Young, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban. We have Shelly again, Tara from Tara Beauty 36, and Tiffanie from TJ Marks BB. So yeah, I highly recommend checking out these ladies' videos. They're all different. None of us have the same look. That's what makes it so cool and fun to watch. All of us took a totally different twist on the St. Patrick's Day look. Even though we pretty much all did a pot of gold, some of us didn't. Some of us put the pot of gold different places on the face. We used a lot of glitter. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all. I mean, you kind of have to, okay? If you like to see my look, keep watching. If you guys would like to check out the rest of the other ladies, their links will be down below. So yeah, just stay tuned for this one. As usual, my lips are parched, so I'm going to moisturize those. This is actually Skin Fix Natural Vanilla Mint Lip Repair Balm. I'm not using my macro lens, so I apologize for any focusing. I can't see my camera. All I can see is what's in the mirror behind the camera, which is far away, so I'm so sorry. I imagine I could use the macro lens. Let me do that actually. It's probably much better. And y'all are much closer. So, I misted my face with the Little Born Apothecary Coconut Mint Cooling Mineral Mist. Now I do have base on my face already, so like foundation and concealer from earlier. So I'm just gonna leave it there. I feel like it'll help, you know, everything stick better. We shall see. So, this is basically to hydrate my skin even more than it already is. And it feels so good on the skin. Basically any mist like this is. Okay, so I'm gonna let that air dry. And for shadows, I'm going to be using the Cutie Pop Candyland palette. I did bring a MAC palette in here. I don't think I'll need it because pretty much every color in the rainbow is in here. So, oh, my eyes are burning. I got this stuff in my eyes. 1 second. So I'm starting this off now that my eyes have stopped going crazy. I'm starting off with a lightweight primer. I'm taking Urban Decay Primer Potion Original. Surprise, right? I normally use Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Not today. Sorry, my eyes are really acting crazy. Oh! Okay, so I'm spreading a light layer of this. Just a light layer, because I kind of had, you know, stuff up there already. But I want to make sure. So, I'm not going to be doing matchy eyes. This is a fun look. It's not supposed to be cute. So, we're going to do kind of both, honestly. May as well. Okay, so, of course, people usually affiliate and associate St. Patrick's Day with a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So, I'm going to try to mimic that as much as possible. But, as always, that's easier said than done. But, I'm going to try at least. I'm actually going to be doing the rainbow on my eyes. Go figure. On one of my eyes. Probably this one, since that is easier for y'all to see. And first, I'm gonna take off what's on my eyebrows. I have this makeup rag. I just have in some pencils from NYX. That's it. I'm gonna leave my other one. Now, this isn't gonna take off everything. It's just gonna take off as much as possible. You could definitely take your makeup off. I'm just starting off with a based face, so I make it a little easier on me. I'm taking a stiff brush, and I'm gonna take a red eyeshadow. I'm going to take this one here. You could definitely use paint. I'm going to see how this works out before I use paint. I just want to see how this works first before I do that. So I might have to use paint, but I'm going to do it probably at the end. Yeah, I'm going to use red paint. It's not as intense as I would like it to be because I have actual brown hair. Not that I'm mad, okay? But I just need some more intensity there. So I'm going to take my Snazaroo face paint palette. Y'all know I've been using this like crazy for these collaborations, and it's been coming in handy for real. I'm going to take the red in here. Yep, that same brush. This is a flat brush. If I didn't mention, it's a flat and stiff brush. Perfect for brows or eyeliner. I'm going to fill my brows in with this. And it should be way more intense. I always screw up. Goodness. And I think thicker is okay. I normally make it a little skinnier. But it's okay because it's a fun look. It doesn't have to be my usual. Actually, I'm gonna clean this off before it dries. I find that they're easy to clean that way. Even though this paint doesn't stain anyway, it's really good at coming off. I have my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in milk. It's just a white, and as y'all can see, I've used it to death. I'm gonna apply this all over that eye. I'm not sure about the other one yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna take and spread this across the entire eye. I would use my finger, I could, but I'm gonna use a brush actually. Just a synthetic one. I'm gonna need more than this because I plan on packing on this color. So I have white all over the eye now. I'm gonna continue with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. But really I'm not gonna probably include indigo. I could, I guess I haven't. I can mix it and make it. But it's technically Roger Biv, but everybody just thinks it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and that's it. They just miss over indigo, even though purple is technically called violet. This isn't the video for technicality. I use the exact same brush I used for that red on my brows, making sure it's clean. Gonna take an orange. Obviously, it's the next color of the rainbow. This color here. And I'm going to sketch this on underneath. I'm going to sketch the line and then connect it. Okay, that's the orange. I'm probably going to touch my brow up again too. After I'm sure it's dry. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with yellow, dusting that brush off really well. You could totally use separate brushes if you want, but I'm lazy and I don't like washing brushes, so there's that. I'm taking this yellow now in the palette. I don't have to keep showing y'all, I guess. I'm using one palette. Doing the same thing where I'm sketching it out and then I'm filling it in. You can also totally sketch these out with eyeliners. I actually brought them in here with the intention to do that, but I ended up not doing it. Okay, there's yellow. Obviously, the next color is green. So we're gonna go in with that. I forgot, I need to kind of extend the lines down because I'm supposed to be leading this into a pot of gold. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put the pot of gold over here somewhere. I haven't quite decided. Now that I fixed that, I'm moving on to blue. I don't really have a true blue in here, so I'm using a blue. I'm gonna use a darker blue as my indigo color. I'm gonna just extend these lines in that are too short. I want them to all be even. For the most part they are, but you know. Now I'm going to do my pot of gold. I believe just using black paint would be the easiest, so it's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna draw a line straight down because I don't want the pot of gold to be way over here, and that's kind of what I'm doing inadvertently. But yeah, I'm just gonna do something with these lines so they're not so. Gonna draw my pot of gold. For that I'm using paint. I'm gonna kind of angle it because I did the pot way too big. I'm gonna do it out of, you know. The pot's gonna be way over here because I screwed up. Whew, take this bandana off because it just fell. There's my pot. I'm gonna find some gold glitter because I don't know why and what I was thinking. I forgot it. That's the whole point. Partially. So I have some gold glitter. This is Motive's pot of gold glitter pot. It's just like, I'm telling you, true gold glitter. I have some glitter primer somewhere or another. This is an e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. glitter primer. I'm just using this. And I'm literally loading it up around here. Like loading it up. I'm gonna start by wetting my brush. I have too much primer on here now. Crap. I hate that you can't put it back in here. I've wasted a lot just now. Look at that. That is way too much. I had glitter on my brush already, so that's why it looks like this. I'm just brushing across. I'm gonna kind of overflow it too, because I have a lot of primer on my brush. I'm trying to use it up. I just dumped a ton into my lid, and I'm gonna use that. I'm using the same brush I applied the primer with. It's gonna help it be tacky and, you know, all of that. I'm not doing it perfect, and I'm kind of blending it, not blending it, but packing it on top of the rainbow, just so it's not harsh, and so it blends in really well. Okay, so I see my pot isn't round like it should be. My pot of gold. So I'm gonna take some more of that black paint and round it out at the bottom. My dog's looking at me crazy. I'm sure he's like, what is on your face? Probably all I should do so I don't screw it up. But I'm gonna round this up too. Much better. I like the shape. Even though it's not perfect, who cares? You know, it's supposed to be fun. And I have glitter everywhere officially. That means I've truly made it. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do to the bottom. I'm thinking leave it alone. I'm thinking just put on mascara. That's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my other eye. I have decided what I'm going to do. I have on regular primer. I think that's good enough. I'm going to take green paint actually. I was going to use eyeshadow, but I think I'm going to use paint. It's quicker and it'll stay. So I'm taking the green in my Snazaroo palette. Not this brush because it's way too dirty. I'm going to take another one. I'm actually going to take this rounded one. It's a lip brush. It's a cheap lip brush from some brush set from a long time ago. And I'm going to sketch out. Gosh, a 4-leaf clover. I'm going to try. Keep in mind I cannot draw, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to screw this up. But actually, before I screw it up, I'm going to sketch it out with a pencil. This is MAC Emerald C PowerPoint eye pencil. It's just a green eyeliner. I'm going to sketch it out with this before I paint. As far as the 4-leaf clover, I'm not quite going all the way up to my brow. I guess it could be worse. I'm going to get my mirror and turn so y'all can actually see me do this. That 4-leaf clover looks so sad and terrible. Sketching it out didn't do anything. And I'm continuing to make it worse, but I don't care. It looks better than it did, even though it's not 4 leaves anymore. It doesn't look bad, it's just not 4 leaves. I tried. So I'm going to apply some lip color now. I have 2 liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star. I have Lime Kiss and I have Cash Out. I'm thinking the lighter one. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. My lips are well hydrated, so I'm using Lime Kiss. Actually, these are not Jeffree Star. What? These are Glam Vice Vivid Matte Lipsticks. And this is the Glam Vice Vivid Matte Lipstick in Lime Kiss. So sorry about that. And this is one of those colors that does take a bit of layering. It's one of the worst colors, honestly. Okay, let me stop because I feel like I'm making it worse. I'm going to take the slightest hint of this green glitter from Cutie Pop. It's a lime green glitter. I'm literally taking a little. I'm going to wet my brush and apply it that way. You could definitely do gloss if you want, but I'm just wetting the brush. I'm applying it that way, just in the very center. And try to remember not to lick my lips. I hope you guys have enjoyed my look as much as I have enjoyed creating it with these ladies. I had fun, as always, creating this St. Patrick's Day fun look. Definitely not something I would have thought to wear, you know, before now. But it's so fun. It'd be perfect for a parade, anything like that. It's just fun. Even though I screwed up the 4-leaf clover, it's like, it's actually, oh my god, it's terrible. It's more like a flower than anything, but oh well. Y'all know what it is, hopefully. Well, now you do. Please rate the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the ladies. I have the links to their videos down below. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the other ladies in the collaboration. And turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.